How to make homemade face serum for aging. Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. Aging consistently happens, regardless of how great you deal with yourself. Actually, getting more seasoned is a gift and obviously better than the option of not getting more established on the grounds that the Grim Reaper came to call. This video contains the serum recipe to delay the signs of aging. Despite the fact that getting more established is great, looking more established isn't what anybody would like to accomplish. Lines and wrinkles, in addition to unpleasant, dry, dull skin, can make you look more established than your years. To mollify those lines and give your skin a blushing sparkle, you can make your natively constructed serum from 4 easy-to-discover fixings: rose water, glycerin, olive oil, and aloe vera gel. You'll need 2 tablespoons rose water, 1/2 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon glycerin, 1 capsule vitamin A, 1 capsule vitamin A, 1.5 tablespoon aloe vera. Homemade face serum for aging. Note, each fixing is significant. To get the best consistency, you'll need to utilize similar extents. Simply blend every one of the fixings and store in the cooler. It could keep going for a month. Apply this natively constructed face serum morning and night in the wake of purifying your face.
Thank you. Like our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and find out to one place on our official website.